everyone, welcome back to another video. We are currently in Nido. We got a bus yesterday which is about 5.5 hours long, so we are staying in the Spin Designer Hostel. Hopefully I've got that right. And I'm just currently walking to the laundry shop. We've got some laundry to do, so it's a nice day today. We've hired a motorbike. We're going to go to a beach and yeah, come with us to do some laundry. So I believe this is the place that we've been recommended, a little shop that says that they're doing laundry. Let's see. Hello. Hello. Do you do laundry?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I give you that?
How many days?
24 hours, please.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Is that okay?
Tomorrow 4 or 5. It's okay.
In the afternoon?
For tomorrow 5 p.m.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. 20, 30. There we go. 30. There you go. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. So this is like the back entrance to our hostel. It's quite cool actually because you got these spiral stairs. But this is our hostel. So if you can hear any background noise.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And
yeah. So I think we've come to our destination, but I'm just going to ask this tuk-tuk guy because we're not 100% sure where we are.
Hello.
Hi.
Las Cabanas beach.
Yeah, the beach.
Up the hill?
Up the hill.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, cool, thank you. McDonald? What's that?
Back
Language barrier. Okay, so we've got up this big hill. Jesus. Hello! Hanging on for dear life. This definitely isn't the right way to the beach. This is a part of travelling that no one tells you about, the amount of times we've gotten stuck on our bike.
I ain't got stuck on a bike ever.
You have a few times. Back up the hill. So to get to the beach, weirdly enough, you have to park at McDonald's, so we've parked in the car park. And then there's a part just in between McDonald's and this building that you walk through, and then it leads you to the beach, which is very, very strange. So I guess we'll just walk through here.
Right. Well, that's lunch sorted anyway.
Yeah, good. This is the weirdest entrance to a beach, but at least if you're hungry, you've got McDonald's near where you've parked, so win-win situation.
I think we found a spot.
Perfect. So we are at the Las Cabanas beach. I'll put the name of the beach somewhere here. And it's very beautiful. We've kind of got this whole half to ourselves. We're just watching this guy play fetch with his dog. How cute. It's a little bit cloudy today, but still very beautiful. We have basically the whole beach to ourselves. You know that we said that you had to walk through a McDonald's. It's just convenient that it's there, isn't it? This is actually the first time. I think we've had a McDonald's at the beach. Wow, look at this. This is a cup holder, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a cup holder.
Yeah, but look how cool it is. Got the goods. Got the goods. Really? You're being picky? Hello, mummy. We just roasted 2 chips for you. Yum yum yum. Could you ask for anything else? A double McDonald's cheeseburger. Sat on a beach in Philippines.
Cultural.
Cultural. Ladies and gentlemen, the sun has come out. Blue sky, blue water, and Jacob's gymnastic entertainments. You were good before I turned the camera on. Woo! Come back to the hostel, we all showered, and now we are meeting a couple of friends and we are going out for dinner. So we're just walking down the street, and this is apparently the opening for Christmas. Oh wow! Oh my god, they absolutely love celebrating Christmas here.
It'll be fine.
So that was the start of them celebrating Christmas. Filipinos love Christmas. So the fireworks and everything, the whole Shazam. There's a big celebration of Christmas basically starting.
Our Nido Christmas light switch on.
Whoa, whoa, we love Christmas! We've accidentally ended up at the ice cream parlour. Can't even see them all. Oh, here we go. Of course I've gone for dark chocolate.
Nice.
That is nice. That does taste like Snickers.
Nice.
Beautiful, yeah. What have you got, Liam?
White chocolate and salted caramel.
Woo! Yeah, boy!
So we're going to end this video there. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment and subscribe. I'm sorry it hasn't been mega long, but we've literally just did a day in the life pretty much today. But yeah, we'll hope to see you in the next one.
Bye, you don't want to miss it!
Bye.